Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at getting your PL350 Over Travel Stop installed. It's a super simple upgrade for your PL350 and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Go ahead and open up your package and locate the components. You'll have the Over Travel Stop itself along with a small hex key. From here, grab your weapon light. This install is easier to do with the light off of the pistol, but can also be done without removing it. If you opt to leave it on, just make sure the firearm is clear and safe before working on it. The first step of the install is going to be determining where you want to mount the stop. For right-hand models, you can mount on either the lower right or upper left, and for left-hand models, you can mount lower left or upper right. Both options for each hand selection will function the same, so pick the position you're most comfortable with. Once you've picked where to install the Over Travel Stop, start by inserting the short end of the hex key into the screw. Make sure it's fully seated to avoid stripping or rounding out the screw head. Apply pressure to the long end and break it loose. Pay attention to how much torque you apply, as this is what it should feel like during the reinstallation process. From here, unthread the screw completely and set it aside. Drop the Over Travel Stop into place. It should seat into the recess naturally. The next step is to reinstall that screw. You can do this as it sits or add a small drop of purple Loctite or Vibrotite if you want the added peace of mind, but it's not required. Reversing the removal step, thread the screw back in and apply gentle torque until it feels hand tight. Rotate the switch to ensure proper function. If you notice any friction or grittiness, back the screw out 1/4 turn at a time until smooth operation is present. Once in place, you can also add an optional witness mark with a paint pen to track any potential loosening over long spans of use, but otherwise, that's it. Super quick and easy. If you run into any issues or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Links to our support forum and the PL350 OTS are in the description below. Additionally, if you feel uncomfortable performing this installation and wish for us to get things dialed in for you, you can select the install service option on the product page and we will get you taken care of. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay driven.